In the Microsoft Admin Center, the customers can easily find and select the Teams phone offer. Then, in the Marketplace view, upon selecting the product, they can explore its details and configure and set it up according to their needs. Instead of navigating the setup process alone, customers can engage in a dialogue with the AI assistant to gain insights into various configuration options, or to delegate the configuration tasks based on their preferences. The AI assistant enhances the shopping experience by assisting customers in configuring their products. The checkout process starts with a summary overview page, where customers see a summary of the items in their shopping cart, including both one-time and recurring monthly charges. The customer's shipping details are added, followed by the adding of billing details. A summary of the order is once again displayed, following the final step of ordering, entering the payment details. In the Marketplace backend view, once an order is placed, it automatically breaks down into its individual components. A detailed breakdown of the order is presented under the Process Details tab. This breakdown shows the status of each component and provides insights into the service provisioning. After the service is fulfilled by the provider, we can close the task successfully, and once completed, the offer is active. In the Microsoft Teams Admin Center, the customer gets the phone numbers assigned to their employees. Thereafter, the phone numbers are available for the employees to use.